how to log out of Snapchat app. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. Also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists sorted for many apps and each app, and let's get started. So now let's go to Snapchat, and now you can either go to the settings by go to chats and click on the settings, or just click on the upper left on the avatar and then click on the settings icon on the upper right. And now scroll down. As you can see, we have many settings sections, my account, and under it you can change name, username, and birthday, and many other stuff. And you can now scroll down and keep scrolling until you find account actions. Under account actions, you're gonna find clear conversations and clear search history and many other stuff. What we need to do now is log out. Click on logout. You're gonna be now logged out of Snapchat once you click here on logout. And as you can see, if you saved already your credentials, you're gonna find your account information here, and you can just log in by clicking on it very easily. And that's it. This was very easy and very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.